Hello everyone. So today we are going to demo the application Salesforce Plus. So let's see what it does. So it can do code search like Apex classes, triggers, wave pages, components, and do field usage analysis. And it also can find the test class coverage with a single click without going to the developer console and searching for the class to see the code coverages. So how to install? So I have extracted this salesforce.crx, and you have to go to Chrome/extensions, otherwise you can find the path here, tools, extensions. So it would open this page, and from here you can load the extension. So this is the extension with .crx file extension, and then I drag and drop. It would ask for me for some permission to salesforce.com. You can add it, and it has been added. So to make sure that it works fine, make sure that you do not have any other Salesforce extension which might conflict with this application. As you can see, I don't have any other Salesforce extensions. So let's go to my Salesforce screen. Here you can see that there is no application here after app launcher. So these are the applications, and when I reload my page now, so now now you would be able to see that there is an application called Meta Explore. So when you click that, you'd be displayed a window where you can enter any you can choose any of them, Apex search or schema search. So let's first go to Apex search. Here you can see all these classes. So this include all the standard as well as custom classes. So you can see all the classes here, and if you want to search for a particular code, like if I go to this class and say I want to know where all this particular account wrap has been used. So if I enter it here, you can see that only this class has been using AngularJ, the account wrapper. Similarly, we can do the search for triggers. Currently I don't have any trigger in my developer org, or wave pages or wave components, and all these columns are sortable, so you can sort them according to any columns as you wish, and you can search for the records as well. Similarly, if we go to the schema search, under schema search we have objects, so it lists me all the objects, standard or custom, and I can search for the details as well. Suppose I want to search for my idea custom object. So here you see idea custom. When I click on describe, it gives me that how many records are using these fields. So here the idea custom field has been used by 80% of records, and other fields have been used by 100%. And if the usage is less than 30%, it will display it in red, so that we know that this field has not been used by many of the records. So that's all about Meta Explorer application. Now let's come to the code coverage. So if you see here, there is a button called code coverage in this particular class. So this is not a standard out of the box Salesforce button. This comes as part of the extension. So now if you click the code coverage button, you directly see which all code lines has been covered. So you do not have to go to developer console or any uh, tool or anything to check for the code coverage, and it is dynamic as well. So if we uh, open the test class for this particular class, then we can observe that we do not need to refresh to find out the coverage. So I'll go to test execution, and I have this test class. So now you see that the coverage is 42%, and then if I comment one of the lines and save it, then go back to my test execution, select for this test class and run. On completion of this test class execution, the uh, coverage should go down. So now if we go back to our class, now it shows that the coverage is 42%, and then we click on code coverage again, it shows that 15%, and it also shows which all lines has not been covered. So that's all about Salesforce Plus capabilities, and would look further to enhance it to a next step. And thank you for watching this video.